Next topic, total differentiation. Suppose z equal to f of x comma y, means z is a function in terms of x and y, and these x and y variables are also functions in terms of t, means x equal to phi of t, y equal to g of t. Once again, z is a function in terms of x and y, and x and y are the functions of t, means x equal to phi of t and y equal to g of t. Then total differentiation is denoted by dz by dt. Therefore, dz by dt equal to dou z by dou x into dx by dt plus dou z by dou y into dy by dt. This is called total differentiation. Once again, dz by dt equal to dou z by dou x into dx by dt plus dou z by dou y into dy by dt. Now, using this total differentiation, we can solve many problems.
Problem on total derivative. First problem, u equal to x log xy, where x cube plus y cube plus 3xy equals to 1. Find du by dx. From total derivative formula, from that concept, du by dx equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dx plus dou u by dou y into dy by dx. Observe this one, dx we can cancel here. Therefore, du by dx equal to dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y into dy by dx. This is the formula for this problem. Now, how many terms we have to calculate? Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y and dy by dx. Now, you consider u equal to x log xy. Dou u by dou x means partial differentiation with respect to x for u. uv formula, x is available, log xy, in log xy also x is available. By using uv formula, first I will do the differentiation for x. Differentiation of x is 1, log xy is constant, plus now x is constant into differentiation of log xy is 1 by xy into again differentiation of xy is y. Now you can cancel x, y, y. Therefore, dou u by dou x equal to 1 plus log xy. Similarly, again u equal to x log xy. Now you have to calculate dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y equal to partial differentiation with respect to y. X is constant while doing with respect to y. X into differentiation of log xy is 1 by xy into inner side differentiation xy. Differentiation of xy with respect to y is x only. Differentiation of y is 1. X cancel. Dou u by dou y equal to x by y, and also given x cube plus y cube plus 3xy equal to 1. Now, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we are doing ordinary differentiation here. Partial differentiation is different and ordinary differentiation is different. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus y cube. Differentiation of y cube 3y square into dy by dx plus xy is there. uv rule again. X is constant. Differentiation of y is dy by dx plus differentiation of x is 1 and y is constant. Therefore, for this term 3 into x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Now you can take 3 common and send that side, it becomes 0. X square plus y square dy by dx plus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Now I underlined here two terms. From these two terms you can take dy by dx common. When you are taking dy by dx common, it becomes dy by dx into y square plus x equal to remaining terms you send that side. When you are sending that side, it becomes minus x square minus y. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus of x square plus y by y square plus x. Once again I am writing du by dx formula. Already I derived in the first stage. Du by dx equal to dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y into dy by dx. Now substitute all the things here. Dou u by dou x is 1 plus log xy plus dou u by dou y is x by y into dy by dx value minus of x square plus y by y square plus x. Therefore, du by dx equal to 1 plus log xy minus x into x square plus y by y square plus x.